I recently wrote an article titled Analysis of Ally Financials Incorporated Stock. And in the article, here's what I said. I recently started purchasing shares of Ally Financials Incorporated. The stock has been on my radar for a while now, and I plan to acquire more shares of this company over a long period. Ally Financials is a digital financial services company most famous for its banking services. It's a completely digital bank, which is great because it doesn't have to deal with the cost of brick and mortar locations. From the research that I have done on them, I can confidently say that it does a really good job as a bank. In this article, I want to look at the stock and give my analysis of the company. The first thing I notice when looking at this company is their price to earnings ratio, which is PE ratio. They have a PE ratio of 4.37 at time of writing. They're a bank stock, so I expected a low PE ratio, but 4.37 is, in my opinion, completely insane. They currently have a market cap of $7.82 billion. The company also offers a dividend yield of 4.44%. When looking at their revenue and earnings over the last few years, one will see that in 2021, Ally brought in $8.67 billion in revenue and made $3.06 billion off of that. In 2020, they brought in $6.2 billion in revenue and made $1.08 billion off of that. In 2019, they made $6.38 billion in revenue and made $1.72 billion off of that. One can see a decline in both revenue and profits from 2019 to 2020, which investors should notice. I bought in Ally Financials because I believe that they have a lot of growth potential. I am very bullish on online banking and believe it has a lot of potential. While I can see Ally having some short-term struggles, and I hope it does so I can buy shares at a cheaper price, I do see a big opportunity for long-term growth. I think that Ally Financials is in a good position to capitalize on this in the long term. While I do believe that this is a good investment for me to make, I don't necessarily believe that this is a good investment for everyone. My hope is that this article will help one better make that decision for themselves. If you like this article, subscribe to whatever platform you're currently listening on. Also, I have created an affiliate page featuring some of the finance-themed products and services that I use. Each of these products and services is offering some really great benefits for those who choose to join them through my page. Check them out and see if there's something that would benefit you. Link in the description or in the bio, depending on the platform you're currently listening on. Thank you for listening.